Hello, let's go and see the most delicious and complete recipe for Kashk Bademjan together. One of the most delicious dishes that you won't get tired of eating. First, clean and peel your eggplants. I used 6 medium-sized eggplants. Cut them in half, and to remove the bitterness, sprinkle some salt on them and let them sit for 30 minutes. Let them stay like this. As you can see, they release water, which is the remaining bitterness of your eggplants. After 30 minutes, dry them with a clean kitchen towel or paper towel. Now fry them in a pan with oil on both sides. Mash the fried eggplants completely in a bowl with a pestle. You can also do this with an electric pestle or a food processor and set it aside. Now slice 2 onions thinly and sauté them in oil until they are completely fried and golden. I set aside some caramelized fried onions to use as garnish at the end. Add 5 crushed garlic cloves. Mix and sauté just enough to release the aroma of the garlic. 1 to 2 minutes is enough. Immediately, it's time for the lentils. Add turmeric and black pepper as needed. I added a teaspoon of each. There's no need to add salt because we already salted the eggplants. Now add 2 tablespoons of dried mint along with 3 tablespoons of chopped walnuts. Be sure to check the gas temperature so that it is not too high so that the beans do not burn. Fry the beans for 1 minute. That's enough. Over-sautéing the mint will make it bitter. So pay close attention to this matter. In a glass, dilute 4 tablespoons of kashk with some water and add it to your pan. Mix them until they are uniform. Now add the mashed eggplants and mix thoroughly until uniform. Let them cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes so the flavors meld together. Enjoy this simple and delicious dish. For an incredibly excellent Kashk Bademjan, you can garnish it with kashk, fried mint, walnuts, and fried onions. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you could like it and stay with us.